Nvidia, wow, it's keep on dropping, and we got that massive and also the nasty number that is 160, sorry, $106, $106. Again, I'm making these videos. It's not something about financial advice or something to you guys. It's something about what I do and how I see the market and how I see the stocks and how I see my investments. So I'm just sharing with you. So if you want to follow, you follow. If you don't want to follow, do what you want. So don't really want to hold you as a hostage for you to just watch this kind of videos. So it's just for educational purpose only. If you want to get educated, what ideas I have, you can really, you're welcome. So well, Nvidia, I was hoping actually Nvidia will bounce back from $115.18, but it didn't. Nvidia continues to just flush down, and we got that massive buyback also from $106. Now sitting at right now after the market closed right now at the time of recording the video is sitting around $111. So well, I have positions in Nvidia, but I have for the long term. But again, will I be adding more positions? Yes, I'll be adding more positions, of course, because this is a very clean and good opportunity. But I think Nvidia probably on 29th of this month, this stock might bounce back super hard on a very positive side and an uptrend side. So that can be the case. If it has to bounce back from here, probably it might go even to $124. This can be very, very highly possible. But how we are really expecting this? Look at this here, guys. Nvidia, hold on. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang will join Meta Platforms CEO Mark on July 29th to discuss the future of AI at a conference dubbed SIGGRAPH 2024, whatever. Hopefully, hearing the two leaders at the forefront of AI will shed some light on developments. Whether the event itself will have a material impact on Nvidia's share price is impossible to know. So here is the kind of trickiest part. So um, whether the event itself will have material impact on Nvidia's share price is impossible to know. So here what it really means that if let's say if they're talking something really constructive or really something good that AI future is going to be something really different that we could ever imagine, and Nvidia is going to deliver some kind of crazy products in AI and promise and show out some promising future. So it's kind of really confusing or kind of really 50-50 that this stock might bounce back on that particular day based on this event. So, but let's go further. But there's certainly a chance of two would announce some sort of exciting partnership regardless as an event approach. Let's consider three reasons why Nvidia is still buy. So, and why Nvidia is still buy? They're telling Nvidia is raking amounts of cash, giving a lot of room to maneuvers. So number two, Nvidia is at the center of $16.7 trillion market. Well, I agree this, yes. Nvidia may look expensive. It's not expensive actually, but its price may be more reasonable if we consider the future earnings. Yes, I absolutely agree this. If you are really counting Nvidia on the base of the earnings, probably future earnings and all, well, Nvidia can be a very, very, very good investment, and I think so. I am very attracted towards Nvidia's investment, and I will just keep on adding more and more shares in Nvidia. If you want to know more in what kind of companies I add more, you can click the link down in the description and you can come join the group, and we day trade, we swing trade, we make money consistently every single day. But if the market is nasty like now it is, we really don't touch that because we really take precautions. That's why I tell my members to take precautions not to lose money in the market. The moment you lose money in the market, believe me, you're not a good trader or investor. You're just running behind money. You're just a gambler. So never gamble in the market. Try to take precautions. I'm telling this with my decade experience here. So Nvidia overall, I think, well, it's a clear buy. Like, of course, I do make in money on Nvidia short. Like yesterday I did, of course, that was, but today market was really nasty, right? You have to agree that. Yes, I think I am with you guys. So overall, if even if you see on the long trend side that Nvidia is really flushing down super hard, but we just got 3 days to go. On the fourth day, we'll be having this event of Nvidia, and let's see Nvidia will bounce back or not. But if it really bounces back, probably the levels can be $124, the first level that Nvidia can really touch, and even the meta will really explode. That can be possible. Yes, it can be highly possible that Nvidia can really explode. But again, coming to $124 doesn't really mean that Nvidia is exploding. It only means it got really some room, just some room to really come back up. 27th August, Nvidia will release its earnings. So what really we can expect from the earnings? We can expect something, of course, positive, but for now we are expecting a negative, only just negative because of the market, how it's really reacting. Of course, this is not really a market crash, I think so, but the drop is really nasty. The drop is not really worth it because I was thinking this Nvidia might just probably bounce back from $115, but it just gave the nasty pullback, which I really not a really big fan. But look on the look on the weekly chart that you will see something. We are on a very clear downtrend. So this can also continue till $106, or if the worst case scenario, we could even go to $97. That can be possible. Yes, it can be highly possible because we needed this kind of pullbacks in order to go further more higher and higher in stock market, because the companies are really entering into $1 trillion market caps. That's really crazy, right? We never thought about this 10 years ago, that really a lot of companies might just, how can I say, even one or two companies were more than enough to enter the $1 trillion market. But now there are getting handful of companies which are entering the $1 trillion market cap, and that's really driving the market on a very confusing side, and we are thinking we're getting priced in, or the market is really just out of control, and the Fed is watching. The Fed is thinking, okay, a lot of money getting pumped in the market. Of course, even the rates are getting cut from the Fed side, the interest rates. That will impact? I don't think so. It will impact now because we already started the massive pullback, and probably the biggest room what I'm seeing Nvidia to get pulled down is pullback is $97.76 can be a massive pullback. If you go the next week also, then this can be a very clean cut candle that we are sitting to $97. Super clear. So keep in mind, Nvidia can go to $97, or if it bounces back on 29th, we are going to $124. This can be very highly possible. We have two scenarios till 29th of July. On this day, it can pump or either dump, but depends what kind of partnerships, or depends what kind of partnership they do, that will really impact the future of this AI from Nvidia side or Meta side. So investors will really take that uh, in a very close consideration, and they will invest money, or they can really pull the money out of the market, I mean out of the Meta or Nvidia. So this stock can really end up to $97. Also, if you are holding positions in Nvidia, please avoid margins for now, because the markets are really nasty. You never want to just keep on adding money. You want to be a smart investor. So again, if you want to know more, you can come down and join the link, and it's in the description, and you can follow me on Instagram. You can see what is going on with the stocks and all. But mainly in the group, you have every single thing. You will be answered every single question, and any stock you will be answered, and what kind of approach you want to make to the market, it will be answered promptly. All the members, they are satisfied. Anything they ask, they are answered every single time. So just If you want, join the beautiful community. They are intelligent traders, and believe me, you can make money every single time. But if the market is like this, of course, you learn how to take the precautions, how also you learn how to really approach the market. Nvidia is, I think so. Oh, got the two scenarios on 29, $124 or $97. We are seeing that very soon, either of these two numbers, because based on the 29th, I think this can be massive news and can also cause a massive drop on Nvidia for a short term, or not for a long term, for a short term, because I think so it's kind of tempting. Nvidia might touch that $100. It's kind of tempting, but let's see. Tomorrow's Friday, and Friday can be a big drop day for all the stocks. So coming week can probably give Nvidia that bigger room to really fly upon, and let's see, can we do that or not? Probably see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I'm making these videos for you guys. I'm speaking with my 1 decade experience. So subscribe to the channel, and you can join the group. You will see what amount of money we make. You will be amazed. It's not a financial advice. It's just some things I'm doing. I'm sharing with you. Thank you. Probably see you in the next video.